How to see answers on Google Form. The very first thing you have to do is simply open up your Google Forms. I'm going to do that by opening up my browser, and then from here I'm going to head over to the apps, then click on Forms. Or you could just enter this URL that you see right here to head over to your forms. And once your forms is open, you can open up any of your previous forms to view its responses. So let's say if I just go ahead and open up this form right here that I've created. Here you'll find the responses right besides the questions tab. And if you tap on it, it will show you all of the responses. Currently, it does not have any response. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and open up another one. So I'm just gonna open up this form right here. And if I click on responses, you'll be able to see all of the responses on this form. And if you have any responses, you'll find the number of responses right besides it. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see the responses right here. And if you head over to the settings and click on this responses drop down, you can edit settings related to your responses. So if you want to collect all of the email address, you could just go ahead and click on responder input or verified emails. And then you can also make sure that the send responders a copy of the response when requested, or always, this is up to you, and allow editing the response. You could also limit your responses to one option. And so if they publish a response with one account, that's it. They cannot do it anymore. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.